Hi, it's Lynn with Soft Squares. I'm in my sewing room, kind of, and we're going to open the Sew What box. This is for the month of May, so let's see what we have. I've only broken the seal, but I have not been inside it yet, so we're doing this together. And I don't really have a... Actually, I don't have a view. There's no really... It just isn't a view to show you anything other than what I've got going on right now. Believe it or not, I have misplaced my cameras. How do you do that? I don't know. So we're using my laptop, so I apologize for the limitations in the quality of video. So let's open this up, and it says, "Hello, Sewist." And this box has been one of my favorites to design. The pre-cut project is unique, and I was able to get a really cool tool for you this month. And, oh, look at that. She has a little thing on different types of pins, is explaining different types of pins. There is, oh, a little trivia. The first sewing machine patent in the world was issued in Britain in 1755. Kind of fun. So, and let's see what else in this box. Oh, that's what I think it is. It's a magnetic pin catcher. It's called a Grab It, it says. Nice. Here is the fabric little bundle. And like always, it is wrapped with this really cute little ribbon. And you can cut it up. And then you have these handmade labels. Is that better? The lighting is just not my friend. Let me try something. Hold on. How's that? I turned off the light, so let's see if this works better. Okay, back to this ribbon. I don't know if it made a difference or not. Anyway, it has these really cute little handmade sayings on there, and so you have these little labels, and it's wrapped around our fat quarters of the month, and these are extra in addition to the project. So we have this one. And then here's the yellow of the same print. That's cool that they coordinate. All right. Now, let's get to the bottom of this box and get the project out. And they're nice and tight. It is an iron carry case, and I somehow popped the plastic open, but this is it. Do you need to do your thing? Okay. And in here it says pre-cut cotton fabrics, pre-cut fusible fleece, video and written instructions, 110-yard thread spool, sewing pins, sewing machine needle, PDF pattern so you can make more. And the link for that is on the back of this card. All you need is sewing machine, iron, and your scissors. So here's, yeah, take that out. That's the card. And here's just a quick description. So it opens up flat and then it kind of bundles up around the iron, and you can see that it's like got the ironing surface on the inside. Nice, cute idea. And here's flannel. Well, that's good size. Remember, it's already pre-cut, but that's flannel. This is the cotton. This is the fleece, her stabilizer. And then we have some extra pieces here, which I'm sure are part of, I'm guessing, the strapping part of the project. Here's our thread. And we have little pieces of elastic here. They look like they're about 4 inches. A little black, there's 2 of them. We also get 2 black buttons. Maybe you can see against that. and our little bag with the needles or the pins and the sewing machine needle. So this is cute. So I'm going to show you. It takes about 55 minutes to put together, it says. Just a few minutes of prep time. This will be so handy, and look, it fits that little nozzle. I don't know if I'm calling it the right thing. Doubles as a pressing surface measuring about 20 by 15.5 inches. Okay. Well, there you go. There is that. I'll put the link to this below if you want to subscribe to this. This is great because everything is pre-cut. Just a matter of following the instructions and assembling it. And then you get the bonus items. And this month it was the pin cushion, which I'm pretty sure, yep, it's magnetic. The magnetic pin cup and the 2 pieces of fabric you always get to add to your stash. And this really cute little handmade ribbon. So everything else that you need is in the bundle, in the box. I'm very impressed with this. Hopefully you guys are. We'll give it a shot. Again, the link will be below. Thank you. Have a great day.